stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong. I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Brody, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Rory, hop up the stoop, jump in the coop, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name? I need the dollars to change. Beat it up like piñata. Tell the job to close the curtains. That bitch make you nervous.
Chambean, pero no jalan. Tú compras todas las Jolambo, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club, what you have in the bank. This is the new religion bank, el Latino gang. Yeah, está toda servieta, pero es que en el closet tengo mucha grasa. Ya mudé la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah. Cabrón, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza. El diablo me llama, pero Jesucristo me abraza. Guerrero como Eddie, que viva la raza, yeah. Me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como me ve el culo la dominicana. Lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico, pim, pim. Billetes de 100 en el maletín. Que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido mal, dile charitín. Que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se forma el motín.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar. Tú que va medio y se fue de pecho como Ginny Luca. Te vamos a tumbar la peluca y arranca pa'l carajo, cabrón, que a ti no te va a pasar la boca. Mi tenis Valenciaga me reciben en la entrada. Para, sí, like I'm Lady Gaga. Y no te me hagas, que en cover de vivo tú has visto mi cara. No salgo de tu mente, donde quiera que viaje, he escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el testarosa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Cosa es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca goza. I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that.
I said I like it like that. I'm in district in the chain.
Why you know
drop everything. Oh, he's so handsome. What's his name?
That would help you quit your job and work from home to become a full-time trader. All right? Okay. Stop this music over here and let's jump right straight to the point. All right, guys, I want to thank you all for taking the time to hop on this webinar. My name is Lord Pips. Really excited to be here. And it's a pleasure to be able to share my story with you. Coming from a background where I knew nothing about trading, I was introduced to trading a couple of years ago by my friends who really didn't know what they were doing. We all failed terribly, and I just figured I really hated my job, and I really wanted to quit, and I really wanted to have the time freedom to be able to do the things I really wanted to do, to be able to get a time to spend with my family, to be able to go and purchase stuff in the grocery shop, travel, do what I wanted to do with my family. So I really wanted this very bad. And I believe if you want something really bad, you put excuses away and you find a way to make something happen. So today, I'm going to show you how to make it happen. But before that, let's jump right into our counseling room really quick. And I appreciate every single one of you who submitted your videos to show the outside world that it's also possible for them to take the time right now to show in a quiet environment. And let's watch a short video of a couple of people who are in a group, who are in our counseling room, which is pretty much our signals room, and this is their story.
Heard my friends talking about Forex trading and I had no clue. I finally created a live trading account and followed Forex Smart Investor, making a profit of $400 my first 3 days.
Hi everyone, I'm Keegan. Just a short video regarding Forex Smart Investor. I joined the counseling room about 2 months ago. During the first month, I had a bit of trouble adjusting, but from the second week in that month, I started making up to $1,000 a day.
Hi, my name is Brendan from South Africa. After trading Forex for the past 3 years, I failed terribly until I came across Forex Smart Investor. I actually earned $900 my first week following the signals in counseling room.
Lord Pips, what's up? This is Doro Papi, aka Bond, and it's a big pleasure, to be in your student class, man. I just love the way you analyze the market, how you care about, we not wasting our money is out there. So, and I appreciate it. Love the charts, love the signals, on point. Keep doing the good work, man. Thanks.
Hey guys, this is Andre from South Africa. I just want to say a big thank you to Lord Pips and to Forex Smart Investors. These guys made me double my account in 1 day. You can start with any account, small, big, whichever. And this guy is so helpful. I'm very proud to say that I've tried everything else, and so far these guys are the best guys. Do your best, try, and join as soon as possible before you lose out.
Hi guys, I came across Forex Smart Investors page on Facebook in December 2017.
For some reason, her audio is really low, so I'm gonna have to skip this. It's really low.
So I decided to join the auto trader
Unless you could hear her.
With a $500 account.
She literally started with $500, and she ended up with $2,000 in her accounts. Okay, so that's what we pretty much did for her account. We grew it over 500%. I mean, if you think about it, from $200 to $2,000, not a lot of people could do that. All right. So since it's very low, I wanted to share with you guys a couple of screenshots of people who are currently trading with us in our counseling room. Just to show you guys here really quick here. All right. So literally every single day when we are trading, these people are trading with us. Okay, they're making money with us. Okay, so when I am trading, they are trading. Okay, now as you can tell, people are feasting. People are making money on a consistent basis. Okay, every single day we trade, they are with us. So when you get started in counseling room, this is what you pretty much have. You trade live with a proven mentor, and also traders as well who are just like you, who had no clue how to trade, who have lost money in the past to all these so-called mentors in the past, and finally found home. All right. So let's dive right straight into the topic of the day and what I'm going to be pretty much talking about. So these are to-do lists for the day. Forex is very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. There are no special indicators out there to make you a special millionaire. Okay, so stuff that you have to know. Remember, Forex is a business, and not the reason why people go to Wall Street, or the reason why people earn a lot of money. All right. So number one, we're going to be talking about trends. Number two, we're going to be talking about patterns to look for. Number three, I'm going to show you how to scan through time frames. We're going to talk about Fibonacci. We're going to talk about market psychology, and also the news. All right. Okay, looking for trends. There are three kinds of trend. There's an uptrend, there's a downtrend, and there is a range. All right. An uptrend. This is how an uptrend pretty much looks like on regular presentation. Okay. On the right hand side, you have an uptrend in a channel, okay? And it's an uptrend in a channel where the market moves in a zigzag channel forward up, all right? Okay, I'm going to show you guys a live example of what an uptrend looks like. Okay, right here, this right here is an uptrend. Okay, let me just identify it for you guys really quick here. All right, so this right here, so this right here is an uptrend. Okay, and as you can tell, it's moving in some sort of a channel. It's moving up. All right. Okay, now what you are looking at right here on the left-hand side is a downtrend. On your right-hand side is a downtrend in a channel. I'm going to show you guys a live example of what it looks like. So this, we said, was an uptrend. Now this right here, so this right here is a downtrend. This is a very, very important stuff that we have to know as a trader, as somebody who wants to become a full-time trader, work from home and make money from home. This is how a downward channel or downtrend looks like. All right. And this is how it looks like in a channel. And I just gave you guys an example. Now this is what a range pretty much looks like. It's like a zigzag moving straight forward, not up, not down, but moving straight. Some call it sideways motion, some call it sideways trend, but it's pretty much how a range looks like. Okay, and this is how a range looks like in a channel. Okay, and this is how a range looks like in a live chart. This is how a range looks like. Okay, and this is currently gold on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so what gold did was it stopped people. People thought it was broken. Nope, it came back. It came to follow it. Guess what gold is doing? Gold is still in the channel on a 15-minute time frame. Okay. Common patterns to look out for. I'm very, very big on patterns. Become a master of patterns, and you'll be able to identify very, very important trends in the market, and you'll be able to capitalize on these trends. Just trust me, the earlier or the faster you're able to grasp this knowledge, the more it will be very, very beneficial to you, for you, and could change your financial status. Okay, so the first one is the flag. This is how a flag looks like. It looks somewhat of a channel moving up. There's been a lot of rejection, or left, right, rejection. You want to watch for a breakout right around here, okay? And then take it all the way up, okay? Similar to this downward trend, downward movement, consolidation in a range, and then guess what? Breakout downward, right? Now you have a pennant. Okay, this is how a pennant looks like, okay? Guess what? Same exact thing. Very, very similar. Movement this way, zigzag movement, right? A lot of rejection. Usually happens on an upward channel like this. So it's called a bullish pennant. And then the market breaks and goes all the way up. All right? Okay. This is a bearish pennant. Market comes all the way down. There's consolidation. You wait for the break and then wait for more confirmation before you actually take this trade down. Don't just take it because it's going down, because it could give you false breakouts. All right. Head and shoulder. Head and shoulder, the most important. One of the most, to me, is the most important part in the market. It's a reversal. It tells you the market is reversing. If it's a downward, if it's a downtrend, you are going to get something similar. If it's an uptrend, you are going to get something similar. Okay, I'm going to give you examples. Now look for patterns on this on the higher time frames, capitalize on it, and you'll be able to make a lot of money. And that's what I usually recommend to a lot of people when I'm trading, when I'm teaching people on a large scale, on a small scale. I tell them the same exact information. Look for patterns like this, and you'll be able to make a lot of money. All right. Okay. So the head and shoulder looks like you have a left shoulder. So you have a market moving all the way up, rallying all the way up here. Okay, break support, comes to retest support, breaks all, goes all the way up and forms the head, comes all the way down, and guess what? Forms the right shoulder. Okay, so look for the neckline. If it breaks the neckline, look for more confirmation and take it to that direction. If it doesn't break it, look for more confirmation to the opposite side, and then take that as a signal, and then milk it all the way down if it's a bearish move from that standpoint. Okay, inverse head and shoulder, same exact thing. It's a downtrend, market breaks support, comes to retest it, now becomes the resistance, comes all the way down to form a head, goes all the way back to retest, comes all the way down, go back to retest, look for the neckline. There's a break in neckline, up, then you take it out. If there's a rejection in neckline, then you take it all the way down. Okay. Let me just give you guys a quick example of how the head and shoulder or inverse head and shoulder looks like. Okay, so we took this trade on CHF JPY. Okay, we took this buy all the way here, and as you guys could tell, people made a lot of money with it. I mean, literally. Let me try to find someone who made money with this, and then I'll tell you that we made money. Okay, she's one of our top traders here. You know, this is his charts, CHF Like I told you guys, CHF JPY, he took this trade. Okay, that's right there. He made money with it. So what I'm telling you guys is something that not only what we are doing, that I am doing, I'm teaching these guys to be able to do the same exact thing, to duplicate my success, and that's the reason why they are having the results they are having. Okay, so if I could do it, they could do it, you can too. All right. Okay, so neckline. Was there a breaking neckline? Nope, that's a rejection. So what did we do? We took that sell. Okay, we took that sell. And guess what? Market dropped 84 pips. That says market dropped 84 pips. Guess what happened? We celebrated it. We took that right here. 84 pips achieved. That's the reason why the people in our group are having the success they're having, because they are following the mentor who's teaching them the ropes, who's telling them literally what to do, when to enter and when to exit. Okay, so the market hit take profit, and that's why you see that retracement over there. That's why you see that take profit over there. That 84 pips achieved from that. So very, very excited about that. All right. Okay. Bullish three drive usually happens in an uptrend. When the market goes all the way down, there's usually rejections, and after a few rejections, your 1, 2, 3 bounce here, there's usually divergence, and the market just drops and tanks. Okay, that's what usually happens. All right. Look for that in the bullish market. Okay, bearish market, look for the same exact in 1, 2, 3 rejection, and look for a strong change or reversal in the trend where market is going the opposite way, and that gives you the 3 bearish market. Okay, Fibonacci retracement, very, very key, very, very important. Okay, if you don't know about Fibonacci, you should definitely stop trading right now. Get with a mentor to teach you how to do it, and trust me, it's one of the biggest game changers in your business. Okay, if we take this for example, all right, the market was over here, and I knew market going to go all the way down, and I took profit here, and I'm looking for a re-entry. I'm looking to re-enter the market. Okay, from the high to the low. Okay, right here it tells me 0.618 with a retracement. I'll take it over here. My stop loss right above here, having less risk to reward. Okay, less risk to reward, and I'm looking at about 215 pips. Okay, so this is something that you as a trader needs to know. You as a trader should be doing on your chart if you want to become a full-time trader. Okay, this is something that you have to know when risking less to getting more. You always have to risk less to get more. All right. Okay. All right. So risking less to get more. So doing that gives you pretty much a downtrend on uptrend. Okay, so in an uptrend, trying to get the retracement from here, okay, low to high. Okay, as you can tell, market came to the 0.5, the sword, and market has rallied and went all the way up here. Okay, so really, really important for you to know using Fibonacci. Fibonacci is great for telling you when to enter the market and potential exit for the market. Very, very key. Okay, live trends. I do live trainings in the group all the time. I'm always in the group talking, trading with you guys. You know, I usually drop a lot of videos. As you guys can tell, this is a video we have, and click this, I drop. Don't forget to place your stop losses. It's very, very important. You never know what could happen with a weekend. Anything could happen. There could be an earthquake somewhere. Literally anything could happen. Okay, so don't forget to place your stop losses and the trades. Okay, so when we hold over the weekend, if this doesn't hit our take profit, we're still going to hold it till it hits our take profit. All right, if it doesn't, we'll hold it, and what would happen is over the weekend, when Sunday comes, we'll be looking to. Okay, so literally I post videos in the group. I tell you what to do. When the news came at a spike, okay, I literally trade with you. All right, I drop charts in the market. I tell you potential market moves. Okay, and I call a signal. All right, we said sell, and this was the reason why we took an 84 pip trade. Okay, we sold it and we took trade. We took profit from that. All right, so very, very excited about that. All right. Okay, so it's not just me making money. Everybody is making money in our group. All right. Okay. Trading in news is very, very tricky. I would say if you don't know how to trade in news, that there are patterns in the trade. I recommend if you are new, do not trade in news. Wait when market is over, when news goes by, a couple of hours, an hour or two, and then enter the market. By the time the market is moving or a little bit more stable, trading the market would get you messed up. You could be in a really good trade. All you know is the market is just going against you. So stay on top of your toes. Bloomberg.com, CNN.com. Very, very important place for you to get the news and be on top of the news. Know when news is coming, so that way you're not caught up in there. Okay. If you have any questions, always feel free to message us. We are always here for you guys. We are literally here to help you guys become 6 to 7 figure earners in Forex and teach you guys and guide you guys in Forex. All right. So very, very excited about that. We have about 8,000 people in our current group right now. You know, that's following us. You know, we love every single one of you. We appreciate every single one of you. And we just keep inspiring and just posting more results of people who are in our group. Okay, this person went from $20 to $150 in our group. It's just very inspirational by just following our signals. Okay, so if they could do it, all right, you could also do it. So guys, thank you all so much. We appreciate every single one of you. Hopefully you guys learned something. And you know, remember, it's only $150 to join for 2 months and feast with us and make a lot of money. Okay, be on the lookout for our website, our auto traders, and a bunch of stuff that we have coming out for you guys. We are here to help each and every single one of you make money. All right, so guys, thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next webinar. Bye for now.